Welcome to Life Redesign Studio. Today we will learn about the worst foods for your brain. You have been loading up on colorful berries, nibbling on nuts, and dining on salmon, all good moves if your goal is better brain health. But what about foods that might raise your risk for mood or memory problems, especially as you get older? Find out which potentially problematic items should make fewer appearances on your plate or disappear altogether. Margarine and frosting. These foods, along with many packaged snack foods, are high in trans fats. You may know that trans fats aren't good for your heart and blood vessels. Research has found that they may also wreak havoc on brain function. Alcohol. While a single glass of wine or beer is unlikely to mess with your mind, alcohol directly affects the brain's communication pathways. The more you drink, the more difficult it may be to process new information or remember things. Alcohol may also make you feel confused. Soda and other sugary drinks. If you want to keep your brain sharp as you age, steer clear of super sweet drinks. Research has found that people who drink a lot of soda, sweet tea, and other sugary beverages are a lot more likely to have memory trouble. These drinks, which often have a type of sugar called fructose, might even cause certain parts of your brain to become smaller. French fries and other fried foods. People who eat a lot of fried, processed foods tend to fare worse on tests that measure their thinking skills. The likely reason: fried and fatty foods. These guilty pleasures cause inflammation, which can damage the blood vessels that supply the brain with blood and hurt the brain itself. Donuts. These tasty treats are both fried and loaded with sugar, a bad combo when it comes to brain health. You get an inflammation double whammy from the deep frying process and the excess sugar. Studies have linked high levels of sugar in the blood with dementia. White bread and white rice. Refined carbohydrates, even ones that don't taste super sweet, can spike your blood sugar. That's often followed by a crash, which can make you feel mentally foggy. Research shows that too many refined carbs may increase your risk of Alzheimer's disease. Red meat. It's high in saturated fat, which is bad for your heart as well as your brain. In fact, limiting red meat is a key tenet of the Mind Diet, a research-based eating program aimed at keeping your memory and thinking sharp. Butter and full-fat cheese. That creamy taste comes at a cost. These dairy products are full of saturated fat. Followers of the Mind Diet avoid butter, cheese, and other full-fat dairy. When it comes to brain health, low-fat dairy is generally the healthier choice. You can get milk, yogurt, cottage cheese, and other dairy foods in low-fat forms. Avoid all these food items in order to keep your brain healthy. Thank you for watching this video.